Hi, this is Andrea Earle with another short Canvas tutorial. Today we're going to talk about adding a YouTube video to your assignment. Go to the module you want your assignment in, click the plus button. You can select assignment, quiz, page, discussion. This tool works on every single page. But for today, I'll just do an assignment. A new assignment, I'm just going to call it YouTube Fun or YouTube Practice. Add item. Now when I click inside the assignment, I'm going to edit, and then I'm going to select the little blue V where it says More External Tools, and I'm going to select YouTube. You now have several options. In a new tab, find the video you're interested in, scroll down and click the share button. Start by copying the share link, going back to your assignment tab, and pasting in the share link. When you hit enter, your video should come up and you can click embed, and there's your video in your assignment. Now, if that doesn't work, go back to your YouTube video, clicking the share link. This time click the embed code. The embed code will pop up here. Copy it. Oops, try that again. Embed code. Click copy. Go back to your assignment. Again, you click, and this time you click HTML editor. Now you can just paste your embed code, and this works for any embed code you want to paste. When you go back to Rich Content Editor, there's your video. Make sure you save your assignment, publish it when you're ready. Hope this helps. Have a great day.